This is a keys tutorial on how to play Christ Lives in Me by Rend Collective. We're going to beef up this song for Sunday morning, give it a little more drive, make it a little fuller with the keys. We'll have four main parts. We'll have the intro, the verses, the chorus, and the bridge. I'll play each part and then teach each part. Here's how the intro goes. And I have a riff going on up here at the top. So we'll go C, and the first riff goes like this. It starts on a G, then goes up to a C. Then we're going to switch our bass hand to an E, or an E over C. Same riff. Here's where the riff will change. We'll go up to an F in the bass hand. We'll still start on that G. First one, A, then we'll go to G, and on that G we'll go. So from the beginning, I'm going to start on verse 2. Verse 1 is about the same. I would just play it softer and quieter and not do some of the walkarounds that we'll do on verse 2 to give it room to build. It goes like this. My dreams I first two of the C chord in the top hand, back to F, back to C over E, back to F, up to A minor. I do a little walk here, and my walk is G, E, F, and G, and I'll just a low F chord, played F, walk is G, F, E. The chorus of this song is a lot like that intro. I'll play it and then teach it. I have been crucified with Christ. So it starts a C in your bass hand, and that same riff we opened up with. C, C, E, E, F, F, G, and then it just repeats. The bridge of this song, we're going to do something arpeggiated, and we'll do it one time high and one time low. It goes like this. For the second time through the bridge. So how that arpeggiated goes is we're playing a C chord, C, and C in the bass, and we're just arpeggiating it. So it's the G over B is just a step chord, so just for a moment we'll go, then we'll go down to the A minor, and the same thing, the G is going to be a step chord, F, G is Jesus. that G, F, A. Then it goes low. So you get the idea. I know you'll do a great job.